Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make Mushroom Pepper Masala. Let us see the ingredients. 200 grams of chopped mushrooms, 1 cup of finely chopped onions, 1 cup of finely chopped tomatoes, 1 finely chopped capsicum, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some curry leaves and coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and salt for taste. Switch on the stove and place one kadai. Now I am going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now I am going to add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. Saute well until the onions becomes golden brown. Now we can add some curry leaves and 1 chopped tomatoes. Saute well until the tomatoes will cook. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute well. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste gone, we can add the mushrooms and 1 cup of chopped capsicum. Mix it well. Finally, we can add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and salt for taste. Mix it well and add a little bit of water to cook the mushrooms. Mix it well and leave this to cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes over. Now our mushrooms are cooked very well. Finally, we can sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Let us present our mushroom pepper masala. It's a quite spicy recipe. We can have this with rice, chapati, roti and parathas. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.